I just finished the unboxing, but I already want to start doing the little chicks and Easter elements so that I can make some cards soon. And so I figured I would start doing this with you guys. I'm going to be doing I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to do just the overhead because of the fact that, you know, it's kind of, I don't want to be face to face. It's kind of boring. And since it takes me such a long time to actually do it, I'll speed it up so that you don't have it, like, you don't listen to me like forever in a day. And this way I can also watch something else, and which is a lot of fun as well for me. So I will see you guys very soon with the overhead view of this, and we will get going. So see you soon. So we finished 2 images, which is more than I expected to do on camera, but I needed the orange and then for the legs as well as the little beak. So I figured, you know what, let's do the carrot at the same time. So we've got 2 done out of 5. Woohoo! I hope you've enjoyed seeing me work on these. They're really, really adorable and super fun to play with. They're very easy, as you can see. It would be an excellent thing to do with children if you're looking for some activities that you could do with them, and or, you know, as a little gift. How cute would that be to give some of those stickers as Easter presents instead of chocolate, because, you know, chocolate is not necessarily good if you have too much. Anyway, that's it for me for today. Go and check out in the description box below the link to the products as well as the discount code, and I will see you guys soon, and we will be making Easter cards with these little guys once I've finished all the other ones. So love you, bye.